Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to customize the toolbar in Kilonotes. Just open the app and choose one of your documents, it doesn't matter, and then click on the three dots on the right. Here it is, and now go to Custom Toolbar. Now you can remove tools like clicking on this red icon with the minus, or you can add tools this way, and also you can change that order by holding your fingers on them and putting it where you would like to. Do not forget to click on confirm when you have finished. Thanks for watching.